Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So this is the 8th look of my Navratri makeup series, which is actually a second last look, and I am absolutely loving my eye makeup today. Kisko smoky eyes person nahi hai? I love doing smoky eyes, and if you guys love it too and want to know how to create this look, then please continue watching. So I'm going to hydrate my skin a little extra today. So first I will be spraying some of my MAC Fix Plus. Now going in with MAC's Moisture Infusion Serum. It's actually a primer, but you can also use it as a skincare product. And I'm going to nicely massage it into my skin. Applying my MAC's Strobe Cream now in the shade Gold Light. Using my Real Techniques stippling brush to apply my MAC's Strobe Cream. I'll be going in now with my Benefice Professional Primer and applying it on my chin and on these areas. Basically, I applied it on my T-zone. For foundation, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Foundation. This one is in the shade 290. This is my Real Techniques Tapered Foundation brush. Dotting it all over my face. Now I will be applying my current favorite concealer. This is NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Ginger Medium 2. Going to set it with my Laura Mercier's translucent powder. For the rest of my face, I'm using my K Beauty's Matte Compact in the shade 130 in medium. Yeah, this is my Real Techniques Duo Fiber Contour Brush. I'm going to bronze my face with Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. This is THEBALM's bronzer. It is in the shade Thomas. Using my Sigma's F40 large angled contour brush. Using my Tarte's blush palette today and going in with Angelic, this shade, using the same brush. So at this moment, I'm not going to go in with any highlighter because I just don't feel like. Later on, I'll see once I'm done with my eye makeup and everything. If I feel it's required, then maybe I'll go in with my highlighter. But for now, I'll skip. So I'll just quickly finish one set of my eye makeup and I'll see you guys in a minute. I've already primed my eyelid with Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer portion. And again, today I will be using the JACLYN eyeshadow palette. First, going in with this shadow, it's called Mocha. Okay, so we are going to go in with Mocha first. This is my Zoeva's blending brush. I don't know the number because mid gaya hai. These shadows are pigmented, guys. I'm going to first apply it on my outer corner and bringing it inwards. Now I'm going to soften the edges with my Zoeva's brush again. This is, I guess, some Luxe Crease brush. Okay, just going to soften the edges. Now on this brush, I will be going in with this shadow. Okay, this one is called POOTER. Blending this brown. Okay. Now going in with this one, it's called Chip. I will be applying Chip just on my outer corner, okay? Applying it for the depth. Now blending it again. On my lid, I will be going in with this shadow. It's called 24/7. It's a nice sparkly glittery eyeshadow. Taking MAC's 239 brush, and we'll be applying 24/7 again. Spraying some Fix Plus. For my lower lash line, going to go in again with Chip. Oh, by the way, this is my Sigma's E30 brush. It's a pencil brush. To blend this, I will be going in with POOTER. So this is my MAC's Eye Kohl. I absolutely love this product. So I will be applying it on my waterline, going to tightline my eye with the same Eye Kohl, and then I will be also applying it on my upper lash line, and I'm going to smudge it. So first, let's apply it on our waterline. Closing my eyes. Now on my upper lash line, just a very thin line, okay? The reason I am applying it on my upper lash line and then smudging it is because I want to have that definition. I didn't want to go in with a very solid black or brown eyeliner. I wanted something that will look really smoky and at the same time will add that definition to my eyes. Now I'm going to smudge with the same Sigma's pencil brush. This is my Asas Easy Ebony Mascara, applying it on my upper lashes. For lower lashes, using my MAC's Extended Giga Black Lash Mascara. I'll quickly wear my false eyelashes and then come back for my lip color. Going in with a darker lip shade today. This is my Faces Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer.